Wagwan Burritos, you don't know, it's your girl Danger, and right about now I am at the Jamaica Amateur Bodybuilding Fitness Association. And before you even think it, no, I'm not there for look on the man them body. I am simply just here because I am very curious to find out how these models keep up them well-toned bodies. And if you are just as curious as I am, follow me and stay tuned. Come man, come. Alright, so what's your name?
My name is Gregory.
Gregory. So Gregory, on a scale of 1 to 10, how well you think you do a while ago?
About 6. I could prepare more.
Wow.
But the competitors came in with their A game, so I have to come in with mine as well. So next time I will be more prepared and aim for 10.
Oh yeah, but like say honest with it. But what were the different categories that you took part in?
I took part in classic physique as well as open bodybuilding. Yes, those are 2 categories.
So tell me a little bit about the open bodybuilding one now. That sounds different.
Well, open bodybuilding is basically open to any weight class. So you just come in at any weight, really. But classic physique now is more of a traditional look, more aesthetic, slimmer. You normally have a weight cap. These kind of items.
Yeah man, so I'm going to ask you one final question. I want to know if, since you know you have to maintain the body and everything, the body help you to get girls easier?
well, yes. It have its perks.
It's have its perks?
Yeah.
Alright, so what are the downsides?
Well, stereotypes, steroids, and all those stuff. So, but you know, we try to keep it professional, natural, healthy, and just you know, to put in the hard work and dedication.
Yeah man. Alright, so to close out, I'm gonna make you show me one of your stretches them and I'm gonna do it with you.
Okay, alright.
Anyone. Thanks. Can I get an interview with you, please? You seem like you were the crowd favorite. Sorry for interrupt the conversation. You're excited. I'm the superstar tonight. All right, burritos. So right about now, what's your name?
My name is Andre McDonald.
Andre, you're the crowd, please. How much supporters you have in the audience tonight?
Well, I'm fortunate to have the supporters of my gym, Sasha's Gym and Health Studio. So I know they're in the crowd. Unfortunately, I couldn't see them, but I heard everybody else, and I'm grateful for that as well.
Yeah, man. So Andre, what was the preparation process like tonight? What was the preparation process like leading up to tonight?
Well, you know, majority of my prep was just a lifestyle habit.
Yeah.
But leading up to the competition, I decided to lean on the shoulders of the owner of the gym, Steve. And he was the one who really pushed me to take it a little bit more intense. And so I did that with complete trust. And then I went there, did the work, and I came back. The thought process was just thinking about all the struggles and failures I have in my life and thinking that this is the defining moment for me to step further in my life and to make a better change for me and others.
Okay, I get you. But you seem like you're a Rasta though. So as it relates to the diet, I'm sure it was a bit easier for you because you eat ital also.
Well, technically I'm not straight Rasta as yet, you know, but I'm heading into that realm of spirituality. Yeah. My diet basically consists of healthy whole foods. I don't really eat a lot of processed foods, so the diet is relatively easy for me. But to be honest, the carving up and the water bit is really difficult for me because I'm a man who loves water, so it was really difficult, but nevertheless it was relatively manageable.
Yeah man, one last thing I asking you was, me sooner stretch, you know feel, you know hard, you know, after a while you know get painful.
Well, you know, they say with practice, you become better, not perfect. So I've been practicing. So although it's hard, it's still manageable. And I'm feeling a little bit cramped. But nevertheless, when I go home, I know I won't be sore.
Oh, okay, so you're saying it's painful, but no, it's manageable because of practice. All right, so to close up, why you show me one of your stretches, and I'm going to do it too.
My stretches are one of my poses.
One of your poses, sorry, one of your poses. Yeah.
This one I like to squeeze my obliques.
Okay.
So now I'm going to just
relax. Alright, overdo.
Well, you need to work on your feet because it starts from the ground up. So when you work on your feet, then the upper body will follow and then you'll be on your way.
Okay, alright, thanks. Pick up yourself. Yeah.
Can you tell me the lineup, please? Can you go back on stage, please? Thank you.
Hi, good night, good night. You seem to be making a lot of noise. I just want a small interview with you. That's fine, right? All right. So first of all, what's your name?
Kimani Kirby.
Kibani Kirby. All right. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how you rate your performance tonight?
Can't rate myself less than 10, you know. You know, the judges are the ones to rate the rest of it. I'm at 10, always.
All right. What were the different categories that you took part in?
Okay, so I took part in bodybuilding, but I did junior and novice. Yeah.
And what was the preparation process like for you?
I'm hungry.
So hold on, that means you starve yourself, or what that mean?
It's a part of it. It's called intermittent fasting. It make you dry out and the muscles pop and all of that.
Intermittent fasting. So since you touch on the whole food thing, you eat fast food and them thing, or is a straight healthy diet?
What you mean by fast food? I mean if the food still a run, cause if it have oil, fat, anything like that, I can't touch it.
Oh. So when was the last time you feel like you eat a good fried chicken then? Or like a good KFC or something?
January.
Whoa! No man. One of the things that I want to know though, wasn't it painful for you hold them posts there for how long? It never painful for you?
Yeah man. But tough fitness though raise people for feel pain, you know. We are warriors. That's how we go on it. We build champions. So we have to fight through it.
Alright, one last question. What are the downsides to being so muscular?
Can't take so much woman to talk to me one time.
Alright, so to close up, I'm gonna make you show me one of your poses them, right? Just teach me one of them. Anyone.
So this is called front lat spread. Yeah, give me this kind of wide.
Okay. Oh. Alright, thanks. Pick up yourself, man. Pick up yourself.
Make some noise for Kimani Kirby, ladies and gentlemen.
What's your name?
Charlotte.
Charlotte and?
Rajani Thomas.
I'm gonna ask you first. Oh, what are you thinking though? Before I ask you.
7.
7? Alright. How well you think you do?
I think I did. Yeah, to be honest, I was a bit nervous because it's my first show and thing. But after a period of time, I gained the confidence and I start to flex more because at first when the nervousness had me, it's like I couldn't flex that.
Oh, yeah.
But after a period of time when I was there and there, I started to flex more. Akim was back there talking to me and stuff. So after a while, I think I did it well.
Yeah, man. What were the different categories that you took part in?
Well, I just did one and it was men physique.
So what was the preparation process like leading up to tonight?
Well, it was a rough one. The reason being, I was being a backlog a bit because I was overseas, so I didn't get the chance to actually train.
Yeah.
So it actually took me 1 month and something to get here. But thanks to Akim, I must say, and that because I had to cut my meals like jab, lap, and I had to do, like for instance, when another person be doing 1 or 2, so I had to be 4 or 5. I had to wear belly band, daily, rapid weight, clean wrap, and all of them because I had to play a catch-up game because I wasn't in the country. So I couldn't get much training. Plus, he was trying to teach me to flex over the phone, but somehow I couldn't get it. So I have to come here and I say, why do it? Yes, and push up this.
Yeah.
But actually, it's a physical thing. You can't really cheer in front of this stuff.
Me get you one final thing. What are the positive things about being so muscular? Let me know what the positive things.
Well, let's say healthy.
You say
Yeah,
healthy?
yes,
Just so, no else, just stay healthy alone. What about the ladies them and so?
You tell me because you're a little.
What do you mean? You can.
You like seeing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So doesn't it help you?
In pertaining
With
to
the
fitness,
ladies, yeah.
yeah, they be looking a lot, but a girl be walking next to me right now. I'm gonna know.
Watch out, watch out.
Next to me.
A liar.
There's no such thing like, yeah. She be right there, like.
No,
Not
touch me, my friend.
She was at the backstage with me, so you must know, yeah.
Oh, alright.
They can only look, and that's it.
Alright, so make a close on the interview here fast, because I'm nervous. Just show me one of your stance then.
Psycho.
The side pose. Alright. right, thanks. Big up myself here. So first of all, Principal, I didn't think they're foreign. I never know say they're Jamaica.
Me too.
All right, so you're going to enter the competition?
What competition?
The bodybuilding competition.
Of course.
So what brings you here today, other than the fact that you're going to enter?
You know, say a food me come by, I'm see. A food me come by, I'm see my while ago. So I say, oh, I keep you so.
So you're not going to go look for nothing at all?
No, not yet.
So you see the ladies around here, them bodybuilding, something and so forth. You not think say you could have talked to one of them or so?
Of course. But they have to talk.
It's good to see you though. What are the things that you're doing in Jamaica now? What go on for you?
But just the woman chill. That's it.
You just the woman and chill?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, thanks.
Shauna is here to show us what she got. Number 36.
Alright, so first of all, tell me what's your name?
Shana Davis Roman.
Ooh, thanks for the full name and everything.
Okay,
So is
Shana
this
is fine.
okay? So is this your first time competing?
It is, yes.
And are you nervous because I know you're not going? You're nervous?
No, I'm actually not nervous. I feel we've worked so hard. I have worked really hard and I'm ready to show off all my hard work.
Ooh, and what got you into the bodybuilding industry in the first place?
It's something that I used to go along with my mom when I was much younger. She used to carry me to the shows because she was interested. And then my trainer, Audrey, is also a very successful female bodybuilder, and she planted the seed that, you know, I could do it and I'm an athlete and I should do it. And then a couple months later, here I am, based on her influence, you know, so I'm excited to see the progress and to be here for the first time.
All right, thank you so much. We're not going to extend it no longer all of
That's
this.
okay, bye, thank you.
All right, Burritos, so right about now we are in the prep room. If you should look around, you would see some of the ladies. They're getting ready. It's a bit tense right now. I know I have to be quiet because them nervous. Someone don't want to ask them too much question for kind of irks them spirit. But you know, if you look over here, you see everybody. Yeah, man, them are get ready and everything. Fit Farm Fitness Club. Wait, these are one of the persons. You have people competing tonight?
Yes, a lot of them.
So tell me, he's the winner? So he's with Fit Farm?
Right.
So what do you think about his performance tonight?
Marvelous.
You say you're the winner. So first of all, what's your name?
My name is Nicholas Campbell.
All right, Nicholas. You want crowd pleaser, man. You have any? Me hear them make enough nice in the audience. Who you have in the audience for you tonight?
Well, I have my entire company. My mother, my father, my sister. I have a few family friends. Just everybody. I really enjoy the support.
Yeah, man. So remind me of the company that you're representing tonight again.
It's Jackil. Jackil, Jamaica Cooperative Credit Union League.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much. So what I want to know though, what was the preparation process like leading up to tonight?
Wow, the preparation. Weeks, months. Basically, 6 months worth of training.
Yeah.
Going to the gym for 2 hours, pretty much 5 to 6 days a week. Eating sweet potato, no rice for almost a total of 2 months. Cardio early in the morning.
So hold on, at any point in time, you never feel like give up because me would have give up a long time, you know?
Yeah, I thought of giving up, but thanks to my coach and Fit Farm Fitness Club, the gym, thanks to Audrey, they've always pushed me, they're always there for me. So really and truly, they have been my support system, along with my mother and my father.
Oh, hey, you big up your family, you know? So what I want to know, what fueled you to be in this industry in the first place?
Bodybuilding, what fueled me is the fact that I suffer with insecurities, and bodybuilding is a sport which promotes progress. And ever since I started going to the gym and I've seen the progress that I've gained, it has really helped me in terms of certain insecurities, like being a small young boy. Yeah? But that's why I kept going. I like the progress that I've gained from bodybuilding.
Thank you so much. So even though we're up on the floor, I ask all of the other one them to do it. Give one little exercise, one upper body one little stretch and pose what we can do. But not make it get up because I know you're tired. One little one, anyone at all.
Any pose like a pose?
Yeah. I'm here follow you.
bicep.
Alright.
So it's like, ready?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I have no biceps, but thanks. Alright, Berrino. So one of the things I'm gonna realize is that the difference with the ladies that they actually have on makeup and earring and everything. So me, I wonder how the sweat I go work with the little stretching and so. But I'm excited to see that. But right about now, I am here with.
Hi, I am Nelly Modest.
Nelly Modest. And a little birdie tell me, say you're one of the coaches tonight?
Yes, my client, her name is Diane Brown, and it's her first time competing. That is her in the corner there, yeah? Yeah, so I'm just excited. She's been working months on end, and this is the time for her to show off all her hard work.
You sound proud, you know? I love that.
I'm so proud, I'm passionate, I'm not nervous, but very excited. So I just can't wait for her to hit the stage.
Yeah, man. So as the coach, I'm sure you'd have a little idea what the judges they're looking for. What you believe the judges are looking for tonight?
All right. So her category is bikini fitness. She'll be competing in tall class. With bikini, is all about femininity. Is an overall look of beauty, skin texture, have the right amount of muscle, nothing too overpowering, but it's almost like a muscle Barbie beauty pageant kind of thing.
Oh, so it's not necessarily only muscles for the ladies, it's also beauty and
Yes.
skin texture and everything.
Yes, and stage presence, most important.
Yeah.
It's all about the way how they present themselves. I always say that the best physique don't always win, but the person who present their physique is those are the ones gonna capture the judges' attention.
Alright, so one final question I want to ask you. I want you to tell me the truth. Who you feel it harder for? The female contestants or the male contestants? Tell the honest truth.
Well, that was no thinking. Females, of course.
Yes.
Definitely. We a lot of variables in consideration in terms of our hormones, and we naturally carry way more body fat, so which means that we have to prep even longer and harder on a stricter diet.
Yeah, man. Alright,
Yes.
thank you so much. Respect to all of the ladies doing this because it look hard. So right about now, me go see if I can sneak over to the lady here. Hi. Sorry. I'm nervous. Sorry to interview your training, but we just want to ask you a few questions. I'm so sorry. I just want to ask you a few questions. First of all, what's your name, even though we didn't get it already?
Is this my camera?
Yeah, it is.
My name is Diane O. That's Diane O. Brown.
Okay, Diane O. Brown. I'm hearing that you're doing a lot of other things with the bodybuilding. So let me know about those other things you're doing and how you balance it.
So I am a Caribbean pageant coach, and I've always been into fitness. I'm a personal trainer, and this is my first time on the bodybuilding stage. So I'm excited to put everything that I know into one space, bring my little razzle and dazzle, little DOB flair. So I think it's gonna be amazing.
You say it's your first time, you're not nervous, you're not a little nervous in you?
Professionals don't get nervous.
Oh,
sorry.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. So what are you looking forward to the most tonight?
Everybody, you see us on stage and it looks pretty, but it's a lot of hard work. I'm just really excited that the work part is over for now and I get to really celebrate the work that I put in. My friends and family are out there, so I'm excited to put on a show and let everybody, see what I've been working on.
All right, so I'm going to close out now because I don't want to pressure you too much. You go on stage. But before we close out, show me one of your poses then where I go to tonight. Let me see if I can learn it. Oh, I go for...
No more.
Okay, all right, let's just... Thank you so much. Guys, let's go.
Shining so bright. Contestant number 35. Diane Brown. Let's talk about Diane's swimsuit for a second. Isn't she looking lovely in red? In our bikini tall category. Diane Brown, ladies and gentlemen, from Express Fitness 24/7. Thank you so much, Diane. Next up,
I'm a bit curious. Is this something that you do to tan the legs or keep it shiny or something?
Yeah, so this is what you do to actually get the muscles popping a little bit more under the light. So this is what we do. Yeah, so we put on the proton so we can get the muscles to pop more, as you can see. Flex your legs. You can see the flex more.
I see it.
Yeah.
So this is different from like the oils and stuff.
Yeah, we do put a little sheen over it, but this is basically the coat of it. So afterwards we put a little sheen on it to get it a little shine. So when she touch under the light, it will be popping. So it will be all muscles. Alright? Yeah.
And you're her trainer for tonight?
Yeah. So I am a friend of fitness. Yeah.
So you're not nervous for her?
No, it's her first time, and when you're doing this for the first time, it's about having fun. You know? And once you're having fun, and just to go through this prep, this phase, you're already a winner. You understand me?
Yeah, I get you.
So just to be on the stage, you're a winner. So once I coach her and put that in her head mentally, then it's about fun. The work is already over. Alright? It's time to have fun.
Nala, you sound like a good coach, but I love you all coach me in this. You make me feel confident and I know me. Alright, thanks, sir. Alright, so hi, first of all, congratulations. Yeah, man, so what's your name?
My name is Javon.
Alright, Javon, so let me know on a scale of 1 to 10, how well you think you do today? I feel like I know the answer, but tell the camera.
Answer 100.
100, because you get your trophy and everything. But what I want to know is, what was the preparation process like leading up to today?
Oh, the preparation was really hard, you know. My coach, big up to my coach, Ricky James. Really put in a lot of work. We just maintain the discipline and come out and do what is necessary. That's what I came out and follow what my coach said. And that's what I did on the stage.
One, it never hard when you do the stretches, it never hurt you?
No.
It never hurt you?
Preparations help to get me safely so I don't lock up, catch any contracts.
Alright, so final question. I just want to know, the nice body and the tone body, it help you get the ladies them easier?
Too much.
Too much. Alright, so to close up, I just want you to show me one of your poses then. Alright, thanks. Big up yourself. The man pose like a Ken doll.
Want to turn to the right? Want to turn to the right? Want to turn to the right?
Number 14 and circle this time, yes?
Want to turn to the right? Sorry, switch sides please, on the 3. Want to turn to the right? Want to turn to the right?
I finally fight my way to the stage. I think right about now they are gifting the open bodybuilder category. Yeah man, on the campus. You came how much? Oh, which one? Big up yourself, girlfriend. Big up yourself. Congratulations. So yeah guys, as I said, we'll fight our way to the stage. They're giving out the category awards right now for the open bodybuilders. Watch there. Honestly, I don't remember them names, but right about now, I can just describe them by red beef, orange beef, blue beef, because I'm not going to remember them names. So So red brief right there, so. Hold on. First. Number 8, first place. Boom, 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 boom. Number 8. Boy, hey, the man didn't say he was gonna be first. Yes, number 8. Congrats. You know what's crazy? His trainer said that he was going to be number 1. This is why your trainers must believe in you. Look at that. Big up yourself, red brief. I remember your name. Big up yourself. You go, red brief. Really and truly, you know who I want to get an interview with? The lady in the black suit. I feel like she's just there to rally everybody on stage. Big up yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. The red brief I take over. The whole of the red brief, first, second, third red brief. What's your name?
Rashane Ferron.
Alright, Rashane. So Rashane, out on a scale of 1 to 10, how well you think you do a while ago? To get into this industry that you're in right now?
First of all, do it for you. Do it for your health, do it for your mental sanity. But I must say, it would be remiss of me not to acknowledge my coach, Romaro Grant.
Yeah.
Go by the name Romy Aesthetics. Trust me, he pulled me from 205 pounds down to 173 pounds.
Wow.
So it's a massive transformation for me, and I'm eternally grateful for that.
All right, thank you. For close out, just show me a few of your stretches them. Just one of them. I'm going to see if I can try it. All right. Ready? All right, so first of all, what's your name?
Aisha Crooks.
Aisha Crooks, and? I just have to say it for the camera, even though you're a star.
Kristen McGregor.
All right, Aisha and Kristen. So first of all, what do you think about your performance tonight? How much you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I would say 8.
8? Okay.
There is space for improvement. So I'm coming back for national with the improvements.
I love the honesty. And what do you think about it on a scale of 1 to 10?
As she said, we're coming back with improvement. She's about, I would put her at about a 7.5.
7.5. Listen, I love the honesty right here, so.
Yeah.
All right, so what are some of the things that you feel she could have done better?
I mean, we're still in the working phase. You know, there's a lot, as she said before, there's a lot to improve on. So, I mean, the odds are there, and we'll just keep working until we can get it.
All right, so I'm sure you have a little idea what the judges are looking for. So tell me what you think the judges were looking for tonight.
Probably a little more definition in our legs, a little tighter, you know, more cuts, I guess, more abdominal prints, you know.
Hello, when you say definition in our legs, I don't understand it, look, right about now, for your legs, them they look good when we see it on stage. Pick up yourself, girl. But what I want to know is what are some of the negative things that you face as a female within this industry?
Because this is my first show, so I haven't had these experiences yet. This is my first show, and it has been good. Apart from I'm hungry and I am thirsty, haven't had water in the last 24 hours, so I'm very thirsty. But that's it. It was good.
Wait, that's a thing you can't have water?
No.
I don't know. I'm just asking, me curious. All right, so just to close out, because I'm not gonna keep it long. Show me one of your poses, then I'm gonna see if I can try it. Alright? She ain't judge me now, me I'm fucking gonna stop now. Thank you so much.
Classic, you big chest. Push up your chest, Nicholas. Hey, push up your chest, boys. Push up your chest, boys.
why you say it again for the camera. What's the name?
Christina Gonzalez, aka Chris Corio.
Chris Corio is who I know because I follow you on Instagram. Hey, man, like, side note, you teach me how to wine and them something. I watch a little tutorial, them where you post. Big up yourself, girl. You save a lot of girls.
Really? Okay, good. I'm very happy. I appreciate the love.
Yeah, man. So you were one of the judges here tonight. I want to know what exactly were you looking for?
Oh, well, we were stage presence. We were looking for symmetry because there's a lot of beautiful bodies and, you know, people work really, really hard. So what we're really looking for is symmetry of muscle, and the presentation was a big part of it as well.
What do you mean by symmetry of muscle?
Symmetry meaning all the poses. When you stand forward, you stand to the side, you're looking to see if the pectoralis muscle is bigger than the biceps, bigger than here. Because some persons, they may come and they may work the biceps more than they work the overall frame. So what you want is an overall balance in terms of the muscle tone.
Oh,
yeah,
I get you.
Yeah.
So Alika Birdie tell me, say you also performed within this pageant one time.
I did. In 2017, I won overall bikini champion.
Whoa, watch overall bikini champion and all of them something there. So as a judge right now, and you know you performed before, what's the experience like? You feel like a deja vu? What's the experience like for you?
It really was. The most exciting category for me was definitely the bikini category. Like, I like all the other categories, but when the bikini came on, I was like, yes, I know exactly where that's supposed to go, and well, yeah.
And that was the category that you won?
That I entered, yeah, and I won. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So to wrap up, I know you do enough tutorial on Instagram. I just want to show me one of the dance. I know you're in your corporate outfit, something simple. Something not pressure you.
Hold on, you dance with me?
Eh?
You dance with me?
Yeah, sure, anything.
All right, so
show me.
do, right?
Yeah.
Put
See,
one foot,
oh God, I'm nervous.
One foot forward, and you're going to bring it forward. Forward, and back, and you bring it to that circle now.
Okay,
That circle.
okay.
Put your hand up now.
Yeah! Yeah! Thank you so much. First of all, congratulations to you both. I soon know the trophy in the hand, but I forget your names. So just remind me your names, please.
Matthew James.
Matthew.
And Shaquille Boy.
All right. So first thing I wanted to ask, what category did you perform in tonight?
The elite men's physique, the short class men's physique, and the muscular men's physique.
Him all forget, you know?
Oh, I thought I was doing novice as well as elite, but today I was told I can only do elite men's physique.
Oh, so you are, how long have you been in this industry?
I started competing last year. First time competed was at RJR Invitational in April last year.
And what about you?
Last year as well. My first show was Mr. and Mrs. Classic at the Classic Body Fitness Gym.
Oh. So you guys both have experience, but I'm gonna wrap up this fast. So what I want to know is, I'm gonna ask you, the little bodybuilding and everything and the nice body, if you get the girls them faster?
Easy.
Easy. What about you?
Make it easier.
You make it easier?
Yeah.
So what are some of the downsides now of having this nice body?
I mean, some persons might be a little bit intimidated, but overall, other persons are definitely motivated and they like the abs and, you know, the beach body.
Yeah, alright, how about you?
Ladies won't trust you. They will think you're a player.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, enjoy everything else about it.
Enjoy everything else about it. Alright, for close up, more the two I want to show me one of the poses, then see if I can try it. You know, I feel like I can do something. What that now? Oh, the man. All right, yeah, man. I'll put this now.
All the illusion of a small this. Way out. But that doesn't have illusion. It's a pop.
Alright, thanks for coming yourself.
I'll turn to the right. I'll turn to the right. Alright, thank you, gentlemen.
Alright, so first of all, what's your name?
Janelle Scarlett.
And?
Kimberly Wilson.
Congratulations, Miss Janelle. You go up on your stage and you do your thing. First of all, what I want to know is, on a scale of 1 to 10, I feel like I know the answer. How well you think you do?
10.
10. And what about you?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. So you guys are friends, right?
Yes.
Yeah, man. So let me ask you, were you there with her step by step for the entire preparation process leading up to tonight?
Not really. No.
What was the preparation process like for you?
It was really hard. The diet was ridiculous. I had to eat I can't really explain, but yeah, vegetable alone, chicken alone for the day was just ridiculous.
So when last you eat fast food then?
Well, I got to carved up today. I had a Dave's Classic.
Okay.
A burger,
okay.
yeah.
A burger?
Yeah.
Not burger?
Yeah, burger, just one burger. No fries, no juice, just a burger.
So they gave you the opportunity to eat one little fast food
Yeah.
today? Okay, so one of the things that I want to oh yes, no one come and be a part of the interview too. Them no one come. One of the things that I want to know in terms of the stretching and so feel painful after a while when you're on stage.
It's easy, but if your back not cramping, you're not doing it correctly. If your calf doesn't hurt you, then you're not doing it correctly.
Oh.
So you have to feel pain in order to do it correctly.
Oh, so the pain will make you get through successfully.
Yeah, man, pretty much.
Yeah, man. All right. So, what are some of the challenges you would say that you face as a woman in the bodybuilding industry?
The dieting and then the menstrual cycle takes a big role into it. This week you're up, next week you're down. When you're down, you know that, okay, period is in 4 days, type of thing. But apart from that, it was really good. Just the menstrual cycle was yeah.
All right, so congratulations to you again. But to close up more, you show me one of your poses, then I'm gonna see if I can try it. You come, friend. You come do it too. Don't come home. I'm not forget about you. Come, ready? Thanks. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
2 steps forward. Right hand to the right. Right hand to the right.
of all, big boss, me see up on the stage. Remember your name again?
Cecil.
Cecil, all right, Cecil. So what I want to know is, what do you think about your performance on a scale of 1 to 10? Rate it.
From 1 to 10?
Yeah, 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest.
9, man.
9? So with the other 1 point, because I see up on stage, I go on with yourself for the other 1 point.
I didn't give the money. You know why I didn't give that money? Because he's younger than me.
Oh.
The only reason why I didn't give him the first place, because he's a much younger man than me. Because he doesn't have no calf. He doesn't have a bigger calf and bigger legs than me.
So explain, so you joined the elite, the elite section, right? Yes. Explain to me what exactly that's about, because I thought elite meant it was a bit older in age. So explain to me what the elite section is about. Yeah.
Well, it's the first time I competed in the elite category.
Yeah.
First time. So
what do you have to have, or what are the characteristics you have to be a part of the elite category? Because it was just 3 of you.
Well, it's basically they just chose me for the elite part of it. I don't really have to have anything. Yeah, just bodybuilding.
So how long have you been in the bodybuilding industry?
Over 30 years.
Wow! Hey, a big man in the thing. So what were some of the things that influenced you in even coming in the industry in the first place?
I don't see somebody working out and I go there and start working out. And I just get to love it.
So this is a career.
I think it's not a career, but I think this thing made for me and me made for it.
Oh, so it's something that you do on the side, or it's like a...
Financially wise,
yeah.
That's why I'm not bigger, and I'm self-trainer.
Oh, you're a self-trainer. So you've been training yourself for 30 years?
Somebody were training me, I'll be much bigger than this. Long time.
So first of all, I'm proud of you though. You go on, you made it a screen for you up on the stage.
I used to travel all about it, over the world.
International?
Yeah.
So this is just one of the competitions you've been a part of?
Yeah, I'm saying universe, India, China, and a lot of Caribbean countries, more than one.
So what I want to ask you though, say to the camera, what would you have to say to somebody who's just starting out in this bodybuilding industry? What you have to say to them?
Well, it's a good healthy habit to pick up.
Yeah.
And continue. Although my problem I found is bodybuilding. It is a matter of all sports, and it doesn't make any money. I think every sport should get money. Just financially.
So that's one of the, sorry for cutting, that's one of the challenges within the industry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because it's very costly to feed us.
Yeah.
You have to eat up to 4, 5, 6 times a day.
Whoa.
And if you don't have it, you can't do that.
Yeah.
And that's one of my problems.
Yeah. Thank you so much for that. But to close out, I really love your insight and everything. Just show me one of your poses them. Maybe see if me can try it myself. Any one of your poses them. Right, so now. Alright, thanks. Big up yourself here. Big up yourself.
Madam Chief Judge, over to you.
That is it, miss.
Everything! Everything! That is it!
First on license.
Big chest, Nicholas! Big chest! Big chest, man! Big chest!
Side chest.
Everything!
Back to the biceps.
Yes, Lord! That is it! Walk up! Walk up! Walk up! That is it, Lord! Yes, Lord! Walk up! Walk up that boy! That is what condition looks like. Come on! Come on!
Hold them.
Chief Judge, you want to step up a bit? Oh, okay, you're fine. Okay, good. Just checking. So in fourth place, we have number 36, Shauna Davis Roman. Give her a big round of applause. Congratulations to you, Shauna. In third place, who's your third place winner? Third place is number 34. I want to see a bikini. I don't know how the judges set them apart. Who is your first place winner? Let me hear the number. Who's your second? First? If you think first place is 35, make some noise. If you think first place is 37, make some noise. So first place winner is number 37.
Alright, burritos, so I'm not gonna lie. After today's episode, I feel like I want to go to the gym and lose some pounds. Yeah, watch it. What you mean? Mama do my back. Thank you so much for watching. One of the things that I learned about in this industry is that it actually needs some more investments. So you want to see me post beside them gentlemen here? Them gentlemen here, them want money in them pocket. So thank you so much for watching this episode. And see you next time. Hopefully in the street so we can cover one other event. Yeah? It's your girl Danger signing out. Need to go to the gym, but me I try. Yeah? Yeah.